This is the best one-bedroom, 1.5 bath villa at Pine Point. Yes, this is a villa. There is nobody above you. No noise or the sound of kids running around upstairs. It's ideal. You may be as active or private as you wish in this well-maintained 55-plus community. Notice the spacious living area. You are protected and secure with expensive hurricane impact windows and doors throughout. You'll enjoy stepping into the spacious and newly remodeled kitchen. Your kitchen has new and beautifully styled kitchen cabinets. Notice the lovely backsplash and countertops, suitable for most decor. The dining area has a well-designed wall of built-in storage, great for everything. There is a hallway separating living room to the bedroom. Here you'll find a guest bathroom on one side and storage closet across the hallway. Here is your guest bathroom. You'll find tasteful cabinets in the guest bathroom. Your master bedroom is very spacious. There is plenty of room for large furniture items. Notice the beautiful remodel in the master bathroom. Simply gorgeous. The shower in the master bathroom was beautifully remodeled from top to bottom. This is your bonus room. There is air conditioning, so feel good using this room for your office, a den, or even a cute little room for a guest. This is simply a photo showing the air conditioning vent in the ceiling of the bonus room. Welcome to Pine Point Community Center. Here, you are welcome to participate in meetings, and the room is available for parties. There is also a kitchen for everyone's convenience. How about having a little fun in the billiard room? There is a large community pool with plenty of chaise lounges and chairs. Why not take a break and spend the day poolside? Gorgeous beaches are less than 5 minutes away. You are minutes from grocery stores. There are so many restaurants in the area, from casual to fine dining.